So I found this amazing recipe. It's a Stollen or Stollen cookies. So you don't need to make big Stollen cakes. You can make just the little cookies and you can make it with your kids. It's so easy and so delicious. So first you need to marinate all your raisins, dried cranberries, almonds, anything basically you like to have in your cookies. You can marinate. You can marinate it in a sweet wine or in the rum or in brandy, or you can use just orange juice. And timing is also different. You can marinate them for a few weeks, few days, few hours. It's up to you. So after a while, you need to strain all your dried fruit and nuts, set it aside for a while, and now we need to make the dough very easy. First, combine together butter room temperature, sugar and ricotta cheese and mix it very well together. Then add flour and mix it again. Now we add our fruit. And also you need a marzipan. If you don't have it and you don't like a marzipan, you don't have to add it. If you like marzipan, you can buy marzipan in chocolate and it will work wonderfully for these cookies. And all aromatic spices you want, anything you like to add. So there is ginger, cinnamon, cardamom. You can add cardamom powder, vanilla, ginger, anything you like to have in your Christmas cookies. And also you need zest of a lemon and a little bit of salt. Again, mixing together really well. You can mix together, then you can mix with your hand a little bit. And now we're going to start making cookies. Just take a little bit of the dough and roll it. The size is going to be about like a walnut. And put it on your prepared baking sheet. When you're done, put your cookies in the preheated oven and bake it for about 15 minutes. While your cookies are baking, melt your butter and prepare powdered sugar. Then cool your cookies a little bit. And now dip a cookie in a melted butter, then in the powdered sugar, roll your cookie around in the powder so your cookie is covered with the powder and your cookie is ready. And this is it. It's like almost a snowball cookies, only And your cookies are like a mini Stollen cookies. They are so delicious. They're so aromatic. They full of this yummy dried. They're full of this yummy fruit. You can make these cookies with your kids. They're so easy to make, and again, they're so delicious and they're perfect for Christmas. They're fast to make. So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you make these cookies. And Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in my new video.